My roof looks old and worn out. I think it's time for a strong metal roof.
I want metal roofing, but who can install it professionally? I need someone reliable.
Do you know a company that installs metal roofing?
Yes, Guns & Sons Contracting does excellent roofing work.
Hello, I'd like to install a metal roof on my house.
Of course, our team specializes in metal roofing installation.
That's great, thank you so much.
Thank you for coming. Thanks for coming.
Yeah, we're ready to install your new metal roof. This metal roof will protect your home for many years. It already looks amazing.
My home looks fantastic. Fantastic. Thank you, Guns & Sons Contracting.
For strong and reliable metal roofing, I highly recommend Guns & Sons Contracting.